Troubleshooting is like detective work in the world of technology. It's a systematic approach to unraveling the mysteries behind technical glitches and malfunctions. In any workplace, whether you're an end user or an IT administrator, encountering technical issues is inevitable. But fear not. With the right troubleshooting skills, you can conquer any problem that comes your way. Let's delve into the key steps of troubleshooting that will empower you to become a tech hero in your organization. Defining the problem is the crucial first step. It involves gathering information about the issue from the user's perspective. Once the problem is defined, it's time to put on your detective hat. Identifying the root cause requires careful analysis and troubleshooting techniques. With the cause identified, it's time to take action. Resolving the problem may involve implementing fixes, applying updates, or even replacing faulty hardware. Remember, troubleshooting is not just about fixing symptoms. It's about addressing the underlying issues to prevent future problems. So, the next time you encounter a technical hiccup, remember the golden rule of troubleshooting: define, identify, resolve. In the labyrinth of technical issues, a structured approach to troubleshooting is your guiding light, a compass that leads you to the heart of the problem. Depending on the nature of the problem, you have several approaches at your disposal: top-down, bottom-up, or the divide-and-conquer method. Each approach offers a unique perspective, allowing you to navigate through the layers of complexity with precision. In a VMware virtual environment, the root cause of a problem can lurk within any virtual or hardware component. But where do you begin your quest for resolution? Gathering information is key. By understanding the characteristics of the problem, you can determine the most appropriate starting point. Let's explore the 3 troubleshooting approaches tailored for VMware environments. The top-down approach starts from the guest operating system, delving deeper into the VM, the ESXi host, and finally, the hardware. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing the core of the issue. Conversely, the bottom-up approach begins at the hardware level, ascending through the layers to the guest operating system. It's a journey from the physical to the virtual realm, unraveling mysteries along the way. Lastly, the divide-and-conquer method, approaching the cause by halves. Starting from the middle, you test and iterate, letting the results guide your path. Master the art of structured troubleshooting. Unlock the potential of your systems. Remember, troubleshooting isn't just about fixing problems. It's about honing your skills and empowering yourself to tackle challenges head-on. Subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join us. We will continue our video series on troubleshooting vSphere environment A to Z.